and case that which is the divisor of 60. It's a divisor of 60. Okay. So x is a prime number, but which is the divisor of 60. And this time you take that factors of 60. So okay, simply you take so simply you take the factors. So 60. So you'll get what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So here, what are all the prime numbers are there? 2, 2, 3, 5. So here, which is prime?
2, 3, 5. All of them are prime.
Yes, all of the prime numbers. Okay. So you want to write the set. Okay. But here the case 2 is repeated. Okay. 2 is twice, 2 times there. So simply you take only one. Simply you take only once. Okay. So that 2, 3, 5. That is the answer. Are you clear? Okay. So come to the next problem. See the question, the trigonometry. So the term is trigonometry. Set of all letters in the word. Okay, set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So trigonometry. Okay, so trigonometry. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 12 or 13 words, 13 letters are there. Okay, so here O is repeated. Okay, that will come that is come twice. Okay, and T. So T is also what repeated. The first time is T, and then the T also is then last previous one. Okay, and then R. So R is also repeated. Okay, okay. So just to that repeated letters you take only once. Okay, at this time what is the set? The set is equal to trigonometry. So that T, comma, R, comma, T, comma, G, comma, O, comma, and N, comma. Now the O is repeated. So you don't want right once again. Again you don't want. Okay. Then what's the next term? M. So M is right here. And E. E is the new only. That's no problem. And T. T is repeated because already mentioned within a set. Okay. So you don't write again. Then R. Okay. So repeated. So next the new is what Y. So now this is the set. Okay. Are you clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Can you write that set of better? So the example. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. See that set. Tell me the answer. F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. Okay. Tell me the answer. The set of all letters in the word better.
Okay, sir. F is equal to curly braces B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, R.
Okay. Correct. Good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the next fourth problem. So write the following sets in the set builder form. Okay, write the following sets in the set builder form. So first one problem I will do, and then remaining two problems you will take homework. Okay, that's the
Okay,
second
sir.
one and the third one. Okay. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Okay. So how will you write? So what is the given form? The given form is what? That is a roster form. Okay. The given form
Okay,
is
sir.
roster form or a set builder form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, see the statement. Actually, within the set elements, some relationships are there. Okay. Simply, you want to find the relationship. That's all. Actually, this is given some very simple relationship. So not big. Okay. You are going to degree means they are given some typical. Okay. This is very simple. Okay. See the case 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the case 3, 6, 9, 12. Actually, these are multiples of 3. We can say these are multiples of 3. Oh, 3
3.
into 1.
Yeah.
So 1 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. Actually, next to 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12. But here we have only 4 elements. Okay. So how will you write this? First you describe this is x. Then we are going to say what is x. Okay. That x colon and what is x? X is equal to 3 into n. N is equal to what? 1,
Natural
2,
number.
3, 4. Okay. Actually, the 1 is what? That is natural number. So n is belongs to n, and 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 4. Do you
4.
understand?
Yeah,
Are
sir.
you clear?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
otherwise, we can write, so x is equal to 3, then n is a natural number, the less than 5. That's all. Okay, less than 5. You don't want this, write this condition. Or otherwise, you can write it this condition. No problem. Are you clear? Anywhere you can. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, come to that second example. See the example, second one. So read the set. Read the set. 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 12. Okay,
Okay.
this is a 32. This is a set. Okay, 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 32. So this is a
32.
set. Okay. So actually, this is, we can write what, 2 power 1. Okay. So first the two, actually one of the relationship. What's the relationship? That's 2 is what? That is 2 power 1. Okay. Next, what is 4? That is 2 square. Okay, 2 square. 2 into 2 is equal to what? 4. Okay. Next, 2 cube. Okay, the 2 cubes equal to what? 8. Okay, next, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 what? 16. 2 power 5. That is what? 32.
Okay,
So
sir.
no more terms are there. Okay, so that, how will you write? That is x colon x is equal to 2 power n. Okay, 2 power n. What is, because 2 is common. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Okay. So the 2 is common here. So that, what is n? N is a natural number. So n is belongs to n, and 1 is less than or equal to n, and n is less than or equal to 5. Okay, 1 less than or equal to n, and less than or equal to 6. Sorry,
5.
5. Okay. Do you understand?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So based on this, we are going to do the next problem. Write the relation. Write the set 5 comma 25 comma 125 comma 625, and then write the roster form. Sorry, set builder form. Write it.
Okay, sir.
No, down, just down it. No, up. Oh, little up, little up. Side. 5 comma. No, this side. Yes, x is colon x is equal to 5 power n. N is belongs to n, and 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to. Okay, correct. Good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Atif sir.
Yes, tell me, boss. I'm listening.
Yeah, listening on. Okay, okay, okay. So the
Cesar,
hello.
Cesar,
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, tell me. I can.
Ange.
Yes, can I complete it?
Hello?
Yeah, can finish the session.
1 second, huh?
Yeah.
Jonathan,
Yeah, sir.
can you give me a right now spot test for this? Whatever you have
Okay.
learned.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can we have some quick discussion about? Okay, David, Darwin, sir, can
Yeah.
you please ask him some questions so that I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
able to
yeah.
understand how much he has understood?
Okay,
Because he is
okay,
going to
okay.
take
1 minute.
JE for IIT.
Yes, AW. Okay, okay. Good.
I want to be a AIR rank topper, so that's why.
Okay, good, good. Jonathan, sorry, Sharon, do the
Darwin.
problem. This one. Write the following sets in the set builder form. 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma dash dash up to 100. Okay. Do this problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, make it fast. So see the relationship 1, 4, 9 and dash 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 100. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the first three numbers relationship and also last number relationship. Okay. 1 means what? 4 means what? 9 means what? 10 means 100 means what? Then you know that what is the in between numbers. Okay. One means what? 1 square. 4 means what? 2 square. 9 means what? 3 square. 100 means what? 10 square. So what is the in between values? 1,
Square.
4, 9 and 16, next 25, next 36. That's so going. Okay. So that what is the set? What is the set? Tell me the set. Set builder
One.
form. The set builder form little difficult. Okay. But normal roster form is so simple. Okay. Okay. Tell me answer. Tell me. Make it fast.
Yeah, sir, I have completed.
In competitive test, you have to write one question in 1 minute, Arun.
Below
Okay.
less than 1 minute
Below.
only.
45 seconds, right?
Yeah. X colon x is equal to n square when where n is okay, good, correct, very good, correct, good. But you take hint from my side, okay? Without hint
Okay.
you want to do, okay? Do this problem. C is equal to this one, fifth third one, this one. C is equal to x colon x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4. Okay, so list all the elements of the okay, they are given set filter form. You want to do roster form. Okay, tell me the answer. Don't do just orally use it. What is the answer?
1, 2.
X is an integer. X is, oh, so you're telling 1 2.
Yeah.
Say, read the question very carefully. X is an integer. Okay. You are telling 1 2 is okay. 1 2 is okay.
Minus
But
2.
right,
Minus
correct.
2,
That
minus 1.
minus 2, minus
Minus
1,
1. 1, 2.
minus 1, 1 2. Are you clear?
Yeah, sir.
That's the answer. Do you understand? That's
Yeah.
all. Then D is equal to this. Write this one. D is equal to x
D,
colon x
D
and
is
letter in the
equal
world
to
loyal. Yeah.
L, comma, O, comma, Y, comma, A.
Okay, good. That's all. That's all. Okay. So, Ashish sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. I can hear you.
Yeah, we're doing good. Three questions I
Yeah.
asked from that previous
Okay.
my chapter. So you answered Pakka,
Okay.
no problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay. How many questions will be asked in JE from this?
From the three, from this one, it is especially sets.
Yeah.
That's why either
Okay, fine.
yeah, was a three, two or three only.
Okay. You have to practice a lot, yeah. Arun,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
you have to practice a lot. This speed is not enough. For this, what you should suppose to do is you need to do some exercise, brain exercise, because your observation power has to be very fast. To be frank with you, after our education system, we are sticking to laptop or system only. Either you're a software engineer or it could be anything. Okay. If
Okay.
you don't have sufficient practice, then you will not able to get sufficient good job. Example, like you won't get Google kind of job. You want to become an IITian, right? If you want
Yeah,
to go
sir.
to IITM, you should supposed to be excellent things. Plan to become like top 500, 5,000 guys. If you be a top 5,000 guys, then when you can able to get IIT Madras or IIT Mumbai,
Okay,
IIT
sir.
Delhi. These three, if you get three these, then only you can go to Facebook and these things and all. Top three MNCs in California. Okay, because
Okay,
we
sir.
work on that basis only. We want only 100%. We don't want anything 99% also will not accept it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not pressurizing you. I'm telling you
Okay.
to find the solution. If you have any problem, you can easily reach out me. You have my number, right?
Yeah, sir.
You can call me personally, okay? Whenever
Okay.
you are free, whenever you want help. If you're feeling like weird kind of, you're not able to understand, you can easily reach out to me. I can solve your problems. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, ba. Any questions? Anything else?
No, sir.
Sir, you want to ask any questions, sir? Okay, can we wind up?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
guys.
thank you.
Have a
Maybe we'll see you later. Bye.
Thank you so much for your time.
Bye, sir.
Can
Have a
see you
Thank
on
you.
nice day.
tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah, sir.
Signing off, guys.
Yeah, sir. Have a good night.